Hello students, today we shall discuss about the concept of your class 8 chemistry or your it is also to some extent it is also in part in your class 10. So your in chemistry, before going to chemistry, first of all I would like to give you the concept of science. What is science actually? Science is nothing but it is the facts. These are the facts gained through observation, generalization, and correlation. Similarly, your science can be categorized into two types, particularly physical science and your biological science. So, under these physical sciences, physics, chemistry are coming up. So, under biological sciences, botany and zoology. Similarly, your what is chemistry actually? Whenever we are going to give you the concept about the chemistry of class 8 or the chapters coming under your chemistry. So, I would like to give you the concept of chemistry. So, what is chemistry? This is the branch of science which deals with the composition of matter and the chemical changes involved in it. Understood? So, this is important. There are so many branches of chemistry also. I do not like to go into it. But your from the class 8 point of view, I would like to give you the discussion about what is matter. Matter, as I have already given you the concept, your definition of chemistry, there matter is a term that is being involved. So in matter, matter is nothing but these are the things that has certain mass and your volume. These are called matter. And this matter can also be categorized into three types. Particularly, your one is your element. Second one is your compound. Third one is your mixture. So what is an element first? Element is nothing but this is the simplest form of matter which cannot be broken down into still simpler forms. Means whenever we shall cut into pieces again and again, then we will get the same your particle in it. That is called atom. So that we'll get the same thing. Will so this is the simplest form of matter which cannot be broken down. Similar, your examples of element. Examples of elements are your gold, copper, your sulfur, phosphorus, chlorine, fluorine, etc. etc. Similarly, when we will go to the compound, what is a compound? Compound is nothing but these are the combination of two or more elements in a definite ratio. In a definite ratio, that is important. Underline this word. So, in a compound, I would like to give you certain examples here. CO2, CO2, carbon dioxide, H2O, these are the compounds. HCl, these are compounds. So here carbon here is an element, oxygen is an element. So these are combined in a definite ratio, 1:2 ratio. Similarly here your your combination should be the ratio may be your by number or by weight. Understood? So here 2:1 ratio by number. By weight also there is a definite ratio. So in HCl also this is 1:1 ratio, but by weight also this is 1:35.5. This is the your atomic weight of your your hydrogen and chlorine. Similarly, I have not yet given you here in writings that your copper, your iron, this is carbon, sodium, then sulfur, phosphorus. These are all the examples of elements. Similarly, what is mixture? What is mixture? Mixture is nothing but whenever two or more elements or compounds, whenever combined in any ratio, then these are called mixtures. Understood? So air is a mixture. Is a your best example. This is your air. Whenever you sell your iron fillings plus your sand. This is also one example of mixture. So I have already given you the your definitions of element, compound, and mixtures. I've already given you the examples also. So then I would like to give you the concepts of an element. Element can also be categorized into three types. First one is metal, then your non-metal, then your metalloids. So these are the three types. These elements can be categorized. So under these metals, what are called metals? Metals is nothing but these are the elements which show the metallic properties. Similarly, non-water and non-metals, these are the elements which do not show the metallic properties. What are called metalloids? Metalloids are nothing but these are the elements which show both metallic and non-metallic characteristics. Understood? So under this metal, your sodium, aluminium, copper, these are the examples, calcium, magnesium, so there are so many metals. Similarly, under non-metals, your carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, these are coming up. Similarly, under metalloids, arsenic, antimony, silicon, germanium, these are all these examples of metalloids. Understood? Now, I would like to give you the concepts of metallic properties. What are the metallic properties? There are so many metallic properties, physical properties particularly. I would like to discuss now your. So first of all, physical properties. What are the physical properties? Your first one, your hardness. In your hardness, usually metals are hard. Certain exceptional case also there. For example, your sodium, potassium, these are very your soft metals. So these are not so hard. So, but this is the hardness one of the characteristics. So lustrous, lustrous, lustrous means what? This is shining. Usually metals show shining nature. All are shining. Your though the sodium and potassium metals are soft metals, though whenever we will cut in with the help of the knife also, the cutting edges will show the shining surface. Similarly, your malleability. Malleability is a characteristic. What is this characteristic? This is the characteristic by virtue of which metal can be beaten into thin sheets. Thin sheets. These are called malleability properties. Then your ductility. Ductility is what? This is the property by virtue of which metals can be drawn into wires. That's why copper, aluminum, these are being used in electric wires. Then your hardness, lustrous, malleability, ductility. Then good conductor of electricity and heat. So usually metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Then there is one ringing sound. Your ringing sound, sonorous. Ringing sound, that is sonorous. Sonorous is a word. All metals are sonorous in nature, means these are your all metals are have certain ringing sound. That's why your bells usually we are using in your temples, that usually give sound, or any other metals if your beat, then we'll get one sound. That's why they are sonorous. Understood? And under this hardness, you can know that there is more your melting